I have scissors in my room? I don't remember. My hair kind of looks good. Alright, so hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. That was a weird intro. I'm aware. Basically, I wasn't gonna vlog today because I don't have a reason. Technically, I have scheduled my life that Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays I work on like vlogs, editing, posting, all that jazz. And today's Monday, and I was just like, so I wasn't gonna. But I heard a thump when I was doing my Pilates workout, and I was like, what is that? What could it be? And I went outside and I saw a box, and I was like, oh my god, what's that? Who's it for? And it had my name on it. And it is something I'm so excited to open. Oh my god. Okay, so basically, I quit my fancy smashy supervisor Starbucks job super impulsively, and it was the best decision that I've ever made. Well, that and breaking up with my ex. Basically, ending things always works out for me. But because I quit that job, I don't have access to free coffee anymore. And I was gonna be damned if I gave my money back to the corporation that fucked me over. So I was like, I guess I'm gonna have to buy from the local coffee shop in my downtown that makes amazing coffee. And I still go there. But like, it's still $7 a latte. And a guy that worked there like completely screwed me over, and I kind of hate him. So I don't want to go there like every single day because I'll be broke and I'll have to see him all the time. So I was like, what do I do? What do I do? Just stop swinging the scissors around. And I just kept thinking, like, I'm gonna buy matcha and make it at home. So I got a matcha whisk, I got a matcha bowl, but I was like, I don't know what kind of matcha to buy, blah, blah, blah. And then I remembered my girl, the OG, the one that inspired me to be a YouTuber. Emma Chamberlain had a coffee company. So I ordered some things, and it came, and I'm so excited. I didn't even know it shipped or that it was coming. So, like, I am so excited to open this. I was like waiting to buy it because it was like $100, and I was like, I'm not really making that kind of money anymore, Emma. Like, Jesus, I know coffee and matcha are like expensive, and your products are organic and good for the environment, but jeez. So I was waiting, and then she had her birthday, and they like were giving away the free tumbler with their order over $40, and I was like, now is the time. How do I look? This should be the thumbnail. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I ordered a few things. One of them being this is the chocolate matcha. I was a matcha hater. Like, I hated matcha, and I kind of made it like my personality. Like, I was like, oh, it tastes like grass, blah, blah. And then like I got sick, and I don't know what happened, but now I like matcha. I started drinking it when I was at work, when I was like getting over a cold and had like really bad allergies, and then I just was like, wow, this is actually really good. And then I started making it at home, and I saw she had a chocolate one. So I'm so excited to try this. Then I also, because I'm a coffee girl at heart, wanted the cold brew kit. So I got the cold brew singles variety box. It tells you how to make it on the back. It says you sit one single serving bag in 8 ounces of water and you refrigerate for 12 to 24 hours, and then you enjoy it over ice. Or you can make it hot. So that's good. And it comes with a whole bunch of different types of her coffee. And it comes with the little mason jug cup that she uses in all of her videos. And I'm so excited. I wanted this cup like literally so bad. Like, y'all. And then it has a little bag of straws. They come with 2 straws. I don't know why you need 2, but like, that is all right. And they're metal. Oh, they're cute too. Oh wait, one's black and one's stuff is so cute. And finally, the free tumbler. also so cute. I love a good clear tumbler. I feel like the colorful ones are really cute, but I like seeing what my drink looks like and how much is left. And this one also comes with a cute little straw. Let's see. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll finish this vlog when I actually make matcha and cold brew. I'm so excited though. I want to know if the matcha is brown, but it's like all sealed and I don't want to open it yet and also explode it on my bed. Because if it's green, that's a mess, and if it's brown, it's also a mess. So, oh my god, though, yay! Okay, I did try the matcha and a cold brew packet. I've only tried one of the flavors of the cold brew so far, but the matcha was so interesting because one, it was green, and two, even though it didn't taste inherently like chocolatey, there was something about it that did, and I couldn't figure it out, but it was really good. So I was really excited about that. Let me know if you want like my matcha recipe, how I make it at home, because I can make that video for you too. So just write that in the comments. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And love you, Emma Chamberlain. Bye. If I find you in the dark, but you only want to show me the brightest parts of your personality, how am I supposed to